empty hopper cars that typically carry the trash. They're going to be going back to New York probably later tomorrow or tonight. They just came to a short stop briefly for about 10 seconds, and now they're moving ahead. This train just came in out of Zanesville. I heard it had at least 60 or more cars on this consist here. And now they're picking up the pace coming into Newark. This is the former Baltimore and Ohio Railroad right-of-way. Loaded trash trains come into Newark, and then they head eastbound into Zanesville, then take the Muskingum River Bridge, and then they head southbound on the old Pennsylvania Railroad right-of-way to the Tunnel Hill landfill just east of New Lexington, Ohio. The rest of the cars on this train are more likely going to be mixed freight besides trash cars. So we'll be seeing plenty of those on this train. This is looking west towards Newark Yard. The Baltimore and Ohio Railroad also shared trackage rights with the Pennsylvania Railroad, where the Panhandle line out of Denison from Pittsburgh came into. This here is the Ecology Road grade crossing, which is just east on the east end of Newark Yard. Occasionally, Ohio Central Railroad will also run loaded stone trains between Byesville and Derwent and Newark. So there's sometimes there's some through trains that come through on this line. Many different types of trash cars on this train. If I do remember correctly, between Toboso and coming into Zanesville eastbound, there's a 10-mile-per-hour slow order. And there's the end of the train. Looks like it's all trash cars. So safe trip to the crew as they enter in Newark Yard, and I will see you guys in my next video. NS Steampunk reporting live from Newark, Ohio. Tower 93, over and out.